This brand has been featured in several Hollywood movies.
May I finish my Shuhua milk, Donnie?
Yili ranks among the 5 top dairy products company around the globe and has sustained the position number 1 in Asia for 9 consecutive years. It is also China's largest dairy producer, offering the most extensive numbers of products. Yili was selected to serve as the exclusive supplier of dairy products and serving at major international events, including the Beijing 2008 Olympic Games, the World Expo in Shanghai in 2010, the G20 Summit in 2016, and the Beijing 2022 Winter Olympic Games. The company has also become a partner of the World Economic Forum, the Boao Forum for Asia, and the World Internet Conference. Yili has over 2,000 partners distributed in 39 countries across 6 continents. The company owns 15 research and development and innovation centers in 75 production bases. Its liquid milk, milk powder, yogurt, cheese, and ice cream are on the market in more than 60 countries and regions. Yili has established 15 research and development and innovation centers across the globe, and today we're visiting one of them. This incredible state-of-the-art factory is located in Inner Mongolia, northern China. It is called Yili Modern Intelligent Health Valley, and it is clearly aligned with the strategy of innovation that characterizes the company.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm here in Inner Mongolia, this beautiful part of China. This place is called Chilechuang Ecological Farm. We're going to go around all this farm to see how they use different technologies to make the production of milk greener and more efficient. They're using even robots to milk the cows here. So I just can't wait to go around and show you how they use technology to make all this process more environmental friendly. Here, they say they have happy cows. Let's see if that's true or not.
It has an intelligent production base of liquid milk, with a daily processing capacity of 6,500 tons of fresh milk. With advanced automation levels, first-class technologies, and green production with net zero carbon emissions.
Now we are coming to the headquarters of Yili. Yili is a company, it's a huge company here in China that is producing a lot of different kind of dairy products. Milk, yogurt, butter. It's incredible to see how big the line of products that this company is making. And actually, it's very popular all around the world, not just here in China. This has a 95% market penetration within the country, and it's also super popular all around the world. They were showing us the big line of products that they make here and how important it is for the Chinese economy, this company. They were also showing some of the coolest and latest technologies they're using to make all these products here in this part of China. And actually, I didn't know they were based here in Inner Mongolia, northern part of China, which makes sense because the more time you spend all around here, the better you understand how beautiful and how great the characteristics of this area, of this part of China is. Like all the terrain has the perfect characteristics to produce different kind of natural products, to grow different kind of animals here in this part of China. So that totally makes sense that these companies have research centers and different kind of facilities in this part of the country.
The production base also offers an immersive industrial tourism experience to visitors. It employs artificial intelligence, virtual reality, naked eye 3D, and other interactive technologies to integrate physical space with digital images, virtuality with reality, and time with space. It is a tourist destination itself in Inner Mongolia.
This place, more than headquarters of a company, is also kind of like an interactive museum, and that is one of the reasons why we see so many people and visitors coming to this place. And it's because they have so many attractions, like interactive attractions, like screens and several different kind of artifacts for people and little kids to interact and learn about the dairy productions. Here we have like a kid playing with kind of balls. Before starting the game, it will give or teach kind of a lesson or give some information about a dairy product, and later they need to complete some kind of goals within the game, and in the same time they're learning, they're having fun as well. Visiting the facilities of all this factory is being so surreal. Like, actually they were telling us they just opened recently. This is like a brand new location for this company, but actually you can tell, you can feel it. It feels more like a hospital. It's like pristine, so clean, so white. I love this company. I love when they make these kind of facilities with a lot of light and so wide, welcoming visitors, welcoming people to come here, and that's what they're doing. Actually, it got my attention because Inner Mongolia is a very important place when it comes to tourism here in China, and there are a lot of visitors coming to just visit this place. A lot of tourists coming to Inner Mongolia, but they take the time to visit these facilities because it's an important company, and I saw this brand has been featured in several Hollywood movies.
May I finish my Shuhua milk, Donnie?
I don't care about your exotic milk.
Collection plate is never empty.
There you can understand how important and big this company is.
I was really blown away by seeing how technology is all around the place. The most stringent standards are applied on food safety management. The automatic equipment and smart management system makes of this something more like a place to take a sneak peek into the future rather than visiting a dairy products factory. There is so much innovation across the whole place. So if you ever have the chance to visit Inner Mongolia, you should include this place in your itinerary. It combines not only technological innovations such as dairy big data center, automated processes, and smart manufacturing, but also cultural and touristic functions. This valley integrates the whole industrial chain with multiple functions, making it a new benchmark for high-quality industrial clusters.
Folks, I'm gonna be wandering around nice and beautiful places here in China and documenting about it. I will also be Instagramming my day-to-day and my trips in this awesome country. Feel free to follow me and leave your comments and impression over there about life in China. I will leave the link to my account in the description down below. Remember to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell button so you don't miss any of my follow-up stories about what's going on in this part of the world. If you think there might be someone else interested in these kind of videos, please consider sharing. My name is Rafael, thanks for watching, and stay safe until next time.